Well, time to switch gears and take another look at the forecast. A lot of you probably getting ready for the 4th of July weekend. We need to know what it's going to feel like out there. Unfortunately, Robert, not only is it going to be hot this weekend, but by this time next week, you said we're looking at lows in the River Valley like near 80.
Yeah, I mean, we're in that point of the year where daylight is so long that when nighttime falls, the earth doesn't have enough time to kind of cool itself down before the sun comes back and starts heating everything up again. So it's this constant cycle that we're in, and I could spend the rest of the show talking about that, but we have to do sports at some point. So we'll take you out to Fayetteville right now. There's that crescent moon we showed you at earlier in the show. 93 in Fayetteville today. Your average is 88, so we're not that far above average. It's just, man, that humidity is what is the killer. It just makes it feel so horrible outside. 97 in Fort Smith. Your record was 103 set on this day 11 years ago. And the temperatures are going to keep rising as we go into early next week in Northwest Arkansas, flirting with the century mark. So get ready for that. It does not get that hot in Northwest Arkansas that often. So this is some rare heat that we're seeing. River Valley also most likely will eclipse the century mark as we get toward Tuesday and beyond as we get toward next week. Now, outside right now, things are relatively quiet. One or two of you saw a stray shower this evening. That was about it. And that's what we're going to expect over the next couple of days here, a stray shower or two. Upper 70s and lower 80s across the region at this hour. River Valley, about the same thing. Most everybody stuck in the 80s. Still 85 in Fort Smith, what's called an urban heat island effect, where all that concrete and asphalt, those buildings, that holds that heat in, and it stays warmer longer than if you were out in the country, in a cornfield, essentially. Dew point still very, very sticky. And as we take you hour by hour, really not a lot going on here. Maybe a couple of stray showers as we get toward tomorrow afternoon. You'll see those there, and then maybe tomorrow evening with some activity. I think this is even overdone. We'll see. And chances for showers will continue Sunday, but it's not anything to cancel any plans over, and it shouldn't cancel any of your community's fireworks shows as well. A few places may dip into the upper 60s, but mostly in the 70s tonight. Plenty of 90s yet again tomorrow, and that is the theme. 90s galore as we go through the next 7 days. A very hot Independence Day on Monday, and then you see their impact days Tuesday through Friday because it's just so hot with those temperatures in the 90s. If you can stay inside in the air conditioner, especially in the River Valley with that dangerous heat, find yourself shade, light colored clothing, lots of water, put on that sunscreen. Oh, don't worry, folks. It'll be winter soon enough. We're going to check the world of sports right after the break.